boys and girls, Mrs. Nelson, and we're going to be looking at area and perimeter. You've already done area, which is just multiplying two of these sides. So you could have two sides. I have two sides. The dimensions are labeled. So I have the length and I have the height, or the length and the width, whichever way you want to look at it. Since it's laying down and we're looking at it from the top, it's going to be how wide it is. So I have the length and I have the width. So I have 6 and 9 is the actual dimensions for area. So length times width, or height times length. Two dimensions, two sides of a rectangle have to be measured. So 6 times 9, if I was looking at that, so the area for this, to figure out the area, would be the 6 times the 9. So to say 6 times 9 equals 54. So 54, that's how you would solve for area. So your answer for the area would be 54 inches or 54 feet, some sort of measurement there. Okay? Now, perimeter, you have to add all of the sides. So when you are looking at that, you're going to have to say, well, I know that the opposite side is the same length. This side is the same length as this side. So this is the same length as what will happen over here. So I have to label that. That'll be 9 as well. Okay? So this side will be the same length as this side. And I'm giving you right now just similar sides, so 6. So now I have to add up and make the equation. So this is going to be, and I can start with any of the numbers here. So 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 9 is going to equal, well, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12. And then 9 plus 9 is 18, so 12 plus 18. So you have the 12, and then you have also the 18, which was going to be 30, because you have the 2 tenths from the 12 and from the 18, and then 2 plus the 8 is another 10, so that's going to be 30. So then 30, that's the equation. So then your answer that you would type in here would be 30, and then it could be inches, or feet, or whatever they want you to label this with. Okay, so that is how you solve area and perimeter. Area is just a multiplication problem of two of the sides, length or width, two sides. It could be these two, or these two, or these two, or these two. It could be just measure two of the sides. Perimeter is add up all the sides. If it's missing some of the sides, like this one was missing the sides, if these were missing, and you had empty sides, you have to fill in the missing sides and then figure out what the equation is. If it's a rectangle, it's going to have 4 numbers. You can't figure out perimeter with 2 numbers. There's no polygon that has 2 numbers. You can have a triangle, which has 3 sides, and then a quadrilateral, which this is, so it has 4 sides. If it has 4 sides, you have to have numbers right here. So I have to put my numbers there so I can figure out what the perimeter is. Okay. If you have questions, concerns, let a teacher know. We'll see you soon.